Welcome back to the channel, where we keep you updated with the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're into cars and love to stay ahead with fresh reviews and news, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Tata Altroz, a premium hatchback that's gaining attention for its bold design, impressive features, and competitive pricing. The Tata Altroz made a big splash when it first launched, thanks to its sharp styling, solid build quality, and focus on safety. For 2025, Tata has refined this hatchback to keep it fresh and appealing in the highly competitive segment. Let's break down what you can expect from the 2025 model. Starting with the design, the 2025 Tata Altroz stays true to Tata's Impact 2.0 design language, boasting sharp lines, a sleek silhouette, and a bold front grille. The car stands out with its unique headlamp design, sporty bumper, and a floating roof look created by blacked-out pillars. New color options and updated alloy wheels for 2025 add to the hatchback's youthful and dynamic vibe. Under the hood, the Altroz offers a choice of petrol and diesel engines, depending on the market. The 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivers around 110 horsepower, providing peppy and efficient performance for city and highway driving. The diesel option, a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, produces about 90 horsepower with impressive torque, making it ideal for those who prioritize fuel economy and low-end power. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, catering to both driving enthusiasts and those who prefer a more relaxed experience. Tata has also worked on refining the suspension setup for better ride comfort and handling precision, making the Altroz nimble and confident on a variety of road conditions. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a modern and spacious interior that punches well above its price point. The dashboard features a clean layout with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a floating touchscreen infotainment system, usually around 7 to 8 inches, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Higher trims get additional features like a premium Harman Kardon sound system, wireless charging, and a digital instrument cluster. Comfort and convenience are a priority, with ample legroom for front and rear passengers, supportive seats, and good storage options throughout the cabin. The hatchback's boot space is competitive, making it practical for daily errands and weekend trips alike. Safety is an area where the Tata Altroz shines. It was one of the first cars in its segment to achieve a 5-star safety rating from Global NCAP, and the 2025 model continues this focus. Standard safety features include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, corner stability control, and a reinforced safety cell for passengers. Higher trims may offer additional airbags, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The petrol variant returns competitive mileage figures that make it attractive for city commuters, while the diesel engine is built for those who rack up higher kilometers and want to maximize fuel savings. Pricing for the 2025 Tata Altroz remains very competitive, generally starting in the lower segment of the premium hatchback market. It offers excellent value for buyers looking for a stylish, safe, and well-equipped car without breaking the bank. To sum up, the 2025 Tata Altroz continues to impress as a premium hatchback option. With its striking design, solid performance options, and focus on safety and technology, it's a strong contender for anyone in the market for a versatile and stylish urban car. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Tata Altroz. Would you consider it over rivals like the Hyundai i20 or the Maruti Suzuki Baleno? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews and updates.